welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been so long since I've sat down and just tried to film something. It's been so long. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, like, I hope you guys have had an awesome start to the year. I hope the Lord has blessed you throughout the whole January and this month so far. And yeah, like, I really hope you guys are just having an amazing one. And yeah, let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So we're gonna start in this palette here. I'm going to use a really dark transition color. Where's the brush that I was looking at? Okay, there's that one. I'm gonna use this as my transition color because I want like a pinkish eye burgundy, like, you know. So yeah, let's do that. You know, something to make it easy, you know, something just neutral to get the eye look going. I think that's fine. I'm happy with that. We're gonna go in now with this palette. Yeah, right. And then we're gonna use these burgundy shades. Yeah, I'm not sure which one, but like, I need the darkest one here, so that's the one I'm gonna use. So we're taking the burgundy into the crease. We're just trying to create some depth. It's a bit bright though, a bit brighter than I wanted it, but it's okay. We can actually mix it with a bit of brown just to get the depth that I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now that I'm done with that color, I'm going to go a bit, I just need like a bright color to go all the way on my lid right here before I put the shimmery burgundy color right here. So I just want to cover my eyelid with something. So yeah, let me find something to put there. Now we're just going to wet that brush with a bit of setting spray. Yep. And then put on the shimmery burgundy color, right? Ooh. Oh! pigment, guys. I really just wanted to do like a halo, but a cut crease is calling me. Oh. I'm being called by a cut crease. It says Makaka, please. Okay, that's fine. Shimmery bronze. I put that. I love that. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Rimmel London foundation right there. Then I'm just going to put it a bit on my cheeks, then some on my nose, and then forehead. Sometimes I mix this with my Fit Me foundation because this one doesn't dry all that well, but then the Fit Me foundation, like, it's a mattifying foundation, so it just does things, and then it becomes the perfect combo. So that's done. I mean, you can see it's a very simple look. And it goes with my blonde hair, guys. Like, you know, start the new year, go on with a different color, trying something new. I mean, I always have different hair colors, but I've never had blonde. It's always mixed with something. So I was like, oh, let me do this. Let me do this. And I guess it worked out. So thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, I mean, it shouldn't be too long. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. What else do you guys need to do? We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by like June or something. I mean, we're almost at 700. So thank you guys for subscribing and doing all that cool stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I've already said, and yeah, see you soon with a new video. Hopefully I'll be doing like different types of videos this year, not just makeup and hair and stuff like that. But I mean, that's the main focus of the channel, so that's what we can be doing. But we're gonna spice it up a little bit. You guys need to get to know me. I mean, I feel like you guys don't know me. I've never actually had a video of me talking. Maybe I'll actually do like a get to know me tag. But yeah, love you guys.